What?
If you put a cracker or some bread on his hand, he'll eat it.
Oh yeah.
It's regurgitating its food.
Yeah, I know. On your hand?
Yes,
That's sick. Where?
in its mouth.
This is a cute chirpy little thing. Why is it trying to feed us? Because we think we're.
Because it's red. Whatever that red. See the
It
color.
likes red. We know that.
Well.
But does it think like anything red is its chick or something? That's sad. Its real chicks are gonna die. Just back a minute. My sap didn't blow up in a bang. I want it to blow up in a bang.
Dad!
Just went to my head.
Oh! No, don't look at me.
Now what's it doing?
Help! 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 You scared the bird away! Dad. Here. Dad.
What? Well, it doesn't want any food. It's trying to feed my hand.
Are you having fruit snacks?
Well, I won't do that, but it's... Oh, how there's a pretty. Don't touch it, dude. Throw up on your hand. Oh my. Stick is on fire. Like reach down those throat and freak out.
If you're quiet, you could have heard it chirping.
I did. Dad, your camera's getting rained on.
Just slightly.
Your $800 camera is getting wet. Crap, I got slap on my hand. $800?